How to download games on iPad. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to download games on your iPad. So in order to download games, you need to first go to the App Store, which is the one-stop solution for you to download any game that supports in your iPad. So when you will come here, you have recommended applications or games that you can, go ahead and download as per your liking. And if not, you have the top menu in which you have the separate game section. From there, you can, see all the recommended games that you have in your iPad that you can play right away. So some of these are free and some of them are paid. So you can choose as the things that if you are interested in some of the paid games, you can go ahead and purchase them and start playing. And there is no such need that you have to purchase all these games. You can go for the free ones and enjoy playing them. And there is also an arcade section, the separate arcade section in the Mac in the iPad, where you can get the full package of the the recommended game over here, and you can play any of them after purchasing the arcade subscription. So if you are interested in any of the games, for example, I want to download Subway Surfer, so you can go to the search bar and search specifically for that, and just simply click on that particular game that you would want to download, and just click on the blue icon which says get and download the app. And once that's done, just simply you will get this application in your home screen. You can choose the place where you want to keep it. You can also create a separate folder for the all the games that you have in your iPad in order to access them quite easily. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to download games on iPad. I hope you find this video to be helpful.